Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Thank you and welcome back, and let's get on with this project. I love it. So I made a bingo bag with my bingo die. So this one is the shaker die, and I did not use any of the back pieces. I only used the two front ones. And the paper that I used is it's a free mini, let me see if that's clear. It is a free, it's a free mini digital kit, Vintage Love, and it is produced by Carrie Ann English for the Shabby Art Boutique. Okay, so all you have to do is go subscribe to her newsletter, to her newsletter, and she sends out a code every, I don't remember if it's every month or every week, for you can download any of the free files that she has. Of course, the rest of them, you know, you'd have to purchase, but she gives away quite a few of the mini kits. And so I downloaded the Vintage Love, and it is for personal use only, no commercial license for reselling. So, you know, honestly, this is just for us to use, you know, on a personal level. So I have used a couple sheets from here. It is 4 sheets. The free mini kit is 4 sheets. And the first one, the first that I will show you, I've already used some of the cut-aparts. So let me show you what is left over, and I'll show you what I used them on. So this is one of the cut-aparts, and that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, if you like Shabby, you're gonna love this this collection. And here is the next one, and I just love that camera and these cuties right here at the bottom. And then this is another one of the cut-aparts. Super cute. She had one, I worked with the one she had last month, gingerbread something, and this is similar to that, and I love that. And then this one is another one. Oh, you know what, I didn't fussy cut this one. I still see the white borders, but anyway, this is another one, super pretty. And then this is one of like a button. She had 2 of these. The other one is in red, and I've already used it. And then the other pages, this one's a full-size page, guys. That's a full-size page. Okay, she has another size, which is the smaller size. I forgot what she said that size. It's for a traveler's notebook or something like that, but it's a smaller size. Anyway, so this is another page, and then this is the 3rd page, and as you can see, you can cut them down to fit a traveler's notebook or a notebook or something like that. So the other page that I used was a full page of this pattern right here. And as you can see, I've already cut into mine. This is all I have left from that, the solid page with the polka dots on there. So let me show you what I have made. I'm so excited. And of course, I've shown you the die. And here is my project, guys. I made a treat box with the bingo die set. So what I've done here is I cut the front once, and then you can cut it again in the foam so that you can get your you know, your layering piece, your top layering piece for your shaker. But in this case, I didn't use it as a shaker. I used it as like a little shadow box. So there's a flower in there. There's a, you know, a couple of foliage. There's a little border. Here's the red button like cut apart, and there's a gold heart down there, and then there's some gems in there, and then this is also part of the cut apart, and that one was kind of blending in. So yeah, so that one was kind of blending in, so I went ahead and inked the edges. and I used some pop of color for like the center of the flower, and then just a couple of dots here and there. And then instead of making it a shaker, I went ahead and I just glued it on top of the acetate. You can of course make it into a shaker, but I didn't want it to be a shaker. So what I did was I just cut out, let me see, here's my negative. I just cut out the center part, of course, so it was like this, and I just cut along the edges to get rid of this grid that was that's in the center. So that's all I did. So all I was left with was the outer edge of the bingo card. So that is what I used for the dimension, you know, to hold it up. I love the way this turned out. So I just made a bow for the top, glued a resin heart on there, and then I covered, of course I just cut the back, and then I covered the sides with the same paper. So this is the paper that I used. And then the handles, I used the handles from the Timeless Tote, Our Daily Bread Designs. I used that handle. I just cut it out and glued it down, so I didn't have to spend much time on that. And then you know, of course, your strip. This one's 1.5 inches wide, and then I just covered the sides with the paper. And then I didn't like the way the foam was showing, so I went ahead and cut a strip, and I just covered all the way around with another little strip. And there's the back. I did the back, like I said, that's why I used all that paper, one sheet of paper, because I went ahead and used it for everything. And then on the inside, I went ahead and cut another one of the solid piece, the solid panel that's supposed to be for the back of your card. I went ahead and cut 2 pieces out to go ahead and finish the inside, give it a nice finished look. And I didn't do, I put the handles in last. I didn't think about a handle until later, so, but it doesn't look bad because, I mean, it's the same color as the inside of the box. So yeah, I just thought that was so cute. And of course you can absolutely make it into a shaker, but I just liked this idea of having a bingo card treat box. And I just love the little handles on the top. They turned out so cute. So I'm gonna fill this up and send it off, and yeah, I just love it. All right guys, if you don't mind hitting that thumbs up button, I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, we will talk to you in the next video. Thanks a lot guys.